Hello dear friends, and blogger user. Welcome to this channel. In today's video I will share how to add your Amazon affiliate products link on your Blogger store and your blogspot blog, and earn from Amazon Associate Program through affiliate commission. The Amazon Affiliate Program, or Amazon Associates, is an affiliate marketing program. It's free for website owners and bloggers to become Amazon Associates. They advertise products from Amazon.com on their sites by creating links. When customers click the links and buy products from Amazon, they earn referral fees. For join to Amazon Affiliate Program, or Amazon Associates, you need to have a website, blog, channel, or a page for marketing. To start signing up for the Amazon Affiliate Program, first of all, you have to create an Amazon account. Then scroll down from Footers menu, click on Become an Affiliate. It takes you to the Amazon Associates homepage. Then from here click Sign Up. For completing account information, enter all required info, including the name, address, and phone number. Enter your website address. If don't have website and want to promote Amazon products on YouTube, then enter your YouTube channel address. In this page you asked for enter your preferred store ID, enter your preferred store ID, use the name of your website name. Explain what your websites and fill out all the required data. Last step is choose your payment method. Choose whether to enter your payment, credit card, and tax ID information now or later. Then proceed to your dashboard. Once you've created your account, you'll be sent to your personal associate homepage. This is where you'll find your performance dashboard, including an earnings overview, monthly summary, and total clicks. Let's get to dashboard and get out the product links that you want to import on your Blogger store. Choose a product that has 5 stars and has an attractive appearance. Use the Amazon Associates site Stripe to generate Amazon affiliate links. Just click the text image button in the Get Link selector. Then copy the Amazon affiliate link to your clipboard, and you can now use that link in your promotions. If you promote on YouTube, paste the link on the description of your video. If you use Blogspot, go to Layout, select the sidebar and add HTML/JavaScript gadgets. Paste the link in content bar, and add a title for your product on title, then view the products on your site. With same methods you can add multiple and different products on your site. And if you want to add the product on your homepage of the site with all the product description, just watch the video and follow the steps with me.